Hi, welcome to our Life Skills Learning Programmes. I'm Siobhan and I'm one of the Learning Support Assistants at Adult Education Wolverhampton, and I'm part of the team who will be supporting you within the classroom. We genuinely believe that it's about what you can do and not what you can't do. So if you have a learning disability and want to develop your skills, why not take the chance and join a Life Skills Learning Programme? Course activities will help you to prepare for adulthood. We focus on skills for independent living, making friends, developing relationships, getting to know your community, good health and well-being, the promotion of lifelong learning and employment, or volunteering. Activities will include keeping yourself safe, healthy eating, travel planning, time management, being part of your community, managing healthy relationships, and improving your work-ready skills. We will work with you to create a programme of courses that meets your needs and aspirations. Using English, maths and digital skills well is an important part of independent living, and these subjects will be embedded into your learning. You will improve the skills needed for everyday life, building your confidence, problem solving, teamwork and creative thinking skills. Courses will help you to think about your future options. Enrichment activities are part of learning at Adult Education Wolverhampton, so that you get an opportunity to practice the skills you learn in class. Learning will be fun and challenge you to think positively about your future. Each class will be allocated a learning support assistant like me, who will help the teacher and enable you to learn and successfully complete your courses. If you need any more information, check our website at www.aes.wolverhampton.gov.uk. You can email us on inquiries@aes.wolverhampton.gov.uk, or you can call 01902 558 180, and we look forward to seeing you in class very soon.